In this video, I'm going to go over a problem similar to the one in homework. The scenario here is the student designs a small aerial drone for a robotic competition, and the drone's altitude, the height, which is represented by h of t in feet, can be modeled by this cubic polynomial h of t. Now, t here represents the time in seconds that the drone took off. Now, if the drone lands at t is equal to 4 seconds, the question is asking us to figure out the other times the drone is going to reach ground level, meaning where the height is going to be 0. So we already know one of the solutions. We already know that at t is equal to 4, the drone is at ground level. The question is asking, like I mentioned earlier, what are the other values? What are the other two places that the height of this thing is going to be 0? Well, to figure this out, we're going to use synthetic division. We already know that one of the solutions is 4. So using synthetic division, we can break down this cubic polynomial into a quadratic polynomial and then find the solution for that quadratic. So here we'll start the synthetic division by bringing down the 1, multiplying 1 and 4, and then adding these two quantities, which gives the difference of negative 12. Negative 12 times 4, that's going to be a total of negative 48, which is a difference of 5, 13, 623. Correction, that's 27. And then 27 times 4, that's a total of positive 108, which gives a remainder of 0. So now, this quotient, which is now 12 squared minus x squared, minus 12 squared plus 27, we can now figure out what makes this equal to 0, and that's going to be the last two values for the entire thing. So let's see if factorization works. So let's try to break this apart by factoring and find those zeros using this technique. So we have negative value here, negative and negative is going to be negative as well. And now we're looking for the factors of 27. And the one that's going to work is 9 and 3. So 9 and 3 multiply to positive 27, but they also add up to that negative 12 that we want in the middle. So here are our solutions, 9 and 3. So if I plug in the number 9 for t into this function, that's going to make this thing equal to 0. And if I plug in the value of 3 into this function, that's going to also make this thing equal to 0. So the other two solutions here is that t has to equal to 9 seconds and add 3 seconds. So those are the other times that the drone is going to be at ground level.